Hi, I'm Clint Cantwell, grill master for Omaha Steaks, and today we're outside firing up the grill for some 9-ounce pork tenderloins. This is one of my favorite cuts on the pig. It basically comes from the rib section. It's a very tender, very flavorful cut of pork. These are 9-ounce tenderloins. They come from the loin portion of the pig. So if you remove that loin portion, the meaty portion, off of the rib bone, you get the loin. And the tenderloin is basically the premier cut off of that. We're going to remove this white, sinewy fat off of there, which will basically just make the meat chewy. Once you get that off, you're going to brush it down with some extra virgin olive oil and a little more of that fat there, which will come right off. We'll get that seasoned up, grill it to about 120 degrees, slice it into beautiful medallions. Very tender, very flavorful. All the meatiness of pork ribs, but in one nice bite-sized medallion. Get them over here onto our flaming hot grill. Sear them on all 4 sides, no more than 2 minutes per side. Then we'll let them rest for about 5 minutes, slice them into small medallions and serve them up to our waiting guests. Stay tuned. So we've seared our pork tenderloin for about 2 minutes per side. It's got a beautiful crust on the outside, slicing it into medallions for our waiting guest. It's got a nice smoky flavor, straight from that charcoal grill. Plate it up and get it served to our waiting guests. That's our boneless pork tenderloin, grilled up for you today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I enjoyed making it. Thanks for joining me.